The protocol tests the effect of vibrotactile feedback on the response to incongruent visual-tactile stimuli. A motion capture system calculates the 3D coordinates of a block transferred across a partition. So the analysis of the movement time and path of the block in each repetition can be performed efficiently and precisely at the end of the trial. The reaction of the subject to the incongruent visual-tactile stimuli in the presence of vibrotactile feedback can be easily quantified.
Quantification of the positive or negative contribution of vibrotactile feedback during motor function that involves incongruent visual-tactile stimuli can assist in future design of upper limb prosthesis, haptics and surgical tools, smart sportswear, or any other garments that incorporate vibrotactile feedback.
Any motion capture system and vibrotactile feedback system can be used to replicate our protocol.
Begin by obtaining a wooden box with a 15.2 centimeter high partition in the center. Place a soft sponge layer on both sides of the partition. Then, place 6 passive reflective markers on the aspect opposite to the screen, at the 4 corners and on both ends of the partition. Use a 3D printer to manufacture a cube with the dimensions of 2.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters, attached to a base with the dimensions of 4.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters by 1 centimeter. Next, place a large screen approximately 1.5 meters in front of a table, and place the box on the table, 10 centimeters from the edge opposite to the screen. Finally, use a 6-camera motion capture system, activated at 100 Hz, to visualize the partition and the movement of the block.